Alright, just want to do a quick run through on how to set up the DL100 with the PLC. So first what we'll do is we'll go to the part number that we have. The one that I have is 1066429. It's a Ethernet IP variant. So you can see I'm not logged in, so I don't need anything special to set this up, like a login or anything like that. And I can confirm it is the Ethernet IP variant. So a couple things that makes it easier. One is I'm powering it here, which is an M12 4-pin cable, and then I've got an Ethernet cable running back to my switch that is connected to my PLC. So next thing you'll need to do is come to downloads. You can grab some software here. The EDS files here, of course, we'll need that. I'll go ahead and download it. So accept. And then while that's downloading, we also have Sopus Engineering Tool, which I'm going to just kind of go set up for setting Ethernet IP address, stuff like that. So you'll want to get this variant. It doesn't matter if you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit machine. Just download it. Again, free download. You may need the STD file, which is the driver. So once you get Sopus, if it connects and it says you need the STD file, that's what you would need. So now, since I've got that downloading, let's just go ahead and extract that. That way when we're ready to use it, downloads, and I'll extract that file. So now that should be ready when we need to put it in Network Configurator. Now I'll open up Sopus Engineering Tool, which is that free software I just talked about downloading. Now I'm just going to search. And you see it's already found the DL100 here. And the IP address on my computer is 192.168.1.73. So if you ended up being on say a different subnet or something like that, and you needed to put it on there, then you can change it in Sopus, or you can change it on your computer itself. There we go. Now it's picked it up. I'll just scroll over. I'm just going to pick up the device. If I need to change the IP address, I could change it here just by clicking that and change it. I've already got it on the same subnet. So pretty much that's it. We just need to change the IP address of the device. Sopus just makes everything as far as configuration and everything else just a lot easier to do. So I can get my distance measurement. I can start setting up different parameters for my multifunction inputs and outputs, Ethernet settings, all that good stuff. So now we're just going to close out of that and go offline. And I'm going to go to Network Configurator. I just grab my thing here. This is just, I'm setting everything up with an Omron PLC, so this is Omron software. And of course, Rockwell would be about the same thing. You grab the EDS file, you put the EDS file in the software, and then you scan for it and find the device. So now I'll come back here, I'll go to downloads, and the one that I want to do, the one that we just pulled in there, I'll drop that in there. Make sure my PLC is connected, then I'll come to connect. Scan my network. And you see there's the DL100. So while that's scanning, now I'll open up my PLC software and we'll find an unused register where I want to dump the data at. So now I'll just click there, connect. Now upload my PLC program. Yeah, I know my computer is lightning fast, so I do apologize for the delay. Good. Now that's up. Got my programs there and do a cross-reference. I'm going to look in my D registers, detailed usage. I'm just going to scroll somewhere halfway. Let's just say 7.5. And this is just a demo PLC, so I'm not too worried about everything. So we'll start at 9,500 is what we'll put it at. So now I know where I'm going to put it. I come back here, go to my parameter. There's the DL right there. And that is 81. I'm just going to do position, but I'm going to do exclusive owner. If I was list most devices, if you're doing anything up here, if you only got one, then you can't. Something's got to be exclusive owner. So I'm just going to grab the position out of it. So now I've got to see I've got 4 bytes here. Look at things I can pull. I'm just going to pull 4 bytes out of it, and we're going to make a tag, edit, new D9500 for 4 bytes. Register, close. Yes. Now that one's done. I need 4 bytes here as well, so I'll make a tag. And so that was 90.500. We'll take this 9510. I believe that was 4 bytes as well. Okay, I'll select that 4 bytes at 9510. We'll register, close, hit OK, and now I'll download it to the network. Change the program mode, yes. And right now my device is reading, was it 236 millimeters? And see I've got a reflector here, maybe you can't see that. Yes. Okay. Now that's good. Everything looks right in the world. We'll go here, monitor. Make sure 81 is up and running. Well, if it would let me, but it should be okay. Now we'll come here, memory. PLC error. Did my network just die? So now just unplug my computer, network cable, and then bring it back up, see if we can reestablish connection. Good. So PLC's back up. We'll put it in monitor mode. And let's just make sure. I wonder if that's why I couldn't. Monitor 81 is up. That's what we were just looking for. So now I'll come here. I'll go to memory. I'll go to my D registers, and we put that at 9500. Monitor. Online. Oh, let me go to 9500. I've got that data there. I'll move it in and out. Data changes. That looks good. Everything looks right in the world. So right now it's saying 238, 237. So that's the same thing that I've got here. So that's giving me the position out of the device. Right there, starting at D9500. Again, right now, let's go back to SOPUS just so that I can verify 285, 285, and then we'll tap into SOPUS just so I can show you the exact same thing. Bring SOPUS back over here and measurement values. You see we're 285 there. I'll bring my PLC program or this back up, and you can see that this and that are the exact same thing. So that's it. And the only thing you may have to do is maybe do a word swap here, it looks like, for longer ranges, because it looks like we're getting 4 bytes instead of 2. But anyway, that's how you get it over Ethernet IP. Hope this helped. Let me know if you have any questions.